is one of those special people. And, you know, there's lots of people out there that understand technology, but there's not a lot of people that can translate it.
We've all connected and we've all just thrived together. So these 12 weeks have been wonderful.
I want to promote this course as much as I can because it is absolutely awesome.
And I love what Lori has given me. It's really put a light under my fire.
If we don't embrace technology, we are instantaneously falling behind. I think your real magic, Lori, is in the translation from this technology to be able to put it at a level that even the beginner of beginners can understand it.
If you hit on units, which you can see both on mobile and desktop, you will see that I organize every lesson and QA as its own unit.
There's no question that anyone has ever asked you that you have made them feel that was a dumb question, that you couldn't figure out. You understand it from the eyes of the woman who's struggling. And that's why you have been so wonderful as a partner for us.
Lori is incredible. She really knows how to explain this stuff.
And I've grown tremendously learning from the interactions with these wonderful colleagues.
She paves the way to success on social media.
I've made connections and I've learned so much.
And it's been a great experience.